If you're wondering how to use affiliate tools for mobile apps and in-app sales, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to get started with affiliate marketing for mobile apps and boost your in-app sales, all without wasting any time. Let's kick things off by talking about how affiliate tools can help you maximize your app's potential. Using affiliate tools allows you to leverage a network of affiliates who will promote your app, driving more traffic and increasing sales. These tools help you track performance, manage commissions, and automate much of the affiliate marketing process. You don't have to be an expert to get started. The right software makes it simple and efficient. When selecting the software you'll use for affiliate marketing, it's crucial to pick one that integrates well with your mobile app. Some tools offer seamless integration with major app stores, allowing you to track installs and in-app purchases from affiliate links in real time. Others provide a dashboard that makes managing affiliates and payments a breeze. One key feature to look for is deep analytics. Your affiliate software should give you insights into how your affiliates are performing, what sources are driving the most conversions, and which offers are generating the highest revenue. Understanding this data is critical for scaling your affiliate strategy and optimizing in-app sales. Now let's talk about setting up your affiliate program. The first step is to choose your commission structure. This is where you decide how much you'll pay your affiliates for each sale or action. You can opt for a flat fee, a percentage of the sale, or even performance-based incentives. The goal is to make the offer attractive enough to get affiliates excited but sustainable for your business. Once your program is set up, you'll need to recruit affiliates. You can tap into affiliate networks or find influencers who cater to your target audience. The right affiliates can help boost your app's visibility and bring in more downloads and in-app purchases. Make sure you clearly communicate your goals and expectations so your affiliates know exactly how they can drive results. Next, you'll want to track conversions. Using affiliate tracking links, you can see which affiliates are driving the most traffic and which ones are converting at the highest rates. This data allows you to reward top-performing affiliates, ensuring they stay motivated and continue to push your app. When it comes to in-app sales, you'll want to make sure your affiliate tools can track in-app purchases as well. Some software solutions come with built-in tools that track everything from initial installs to in-app purchases, subscriptions, and upgrades. This means you can directly attribute sales and revenue to specific affiliates, making your affiliate program even more transparent. For anyone wondering about software recommendations, I've tested out some of the most popular affiliate tools, and I'll be using the best one in this tutorial. You can access an exclusive free trial of this software just for viewers of my channel. Check out the link in the description if you want to follow along. The key takeaway here is that affiliate tools for mobile apps and in-app sales are designed to simplify the process of tracking and managing affiliates while boosting your app's revenue. Choose the right software, set up a solid commission structure, recruit affiliates that align with your target audience, and track everything to optimize your program. So, before you go, don't forget to take advantage of that exclusive free trial in the description below. It's a great way to get started without committing to anything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.